name is Priyanka Nirvada and today's date is 1st September 2022 and today's video topic name is iterative statements in Java. The Java provide different types of iterative statement and these iterative statements is also called as the looping statement that can be used to perform the repetition or the repetitive task. The iterative statement is mostly used for the number of time repetitions the one statement are show or the print repetitively, then use the iterative statements. We know about the how to perform or how to work iterative statement. We want to need three things. First is a starting value, second is the ending value, third is the increment means the updation. The when we initialize first value, this variable is also called as the counter variable. Then the ending condition is based on the basis of start value and the ending value, and the updation is on the basis of the condition, means the depend on the condition. So these the three things are important in the looping statements. So Java having three loops, and likewise first is a for loop, then while loop, and then do while loop. So let's see first for loop. For loop is perform the repetitive task or the repetitive at the repetitions. When the number of repetition is fixed, then we use the for loop. Means we know about the number of repetitions or repetitions are fixed, then the for loop is preferable. The syntax of for loop is for in round bracket, first initialization, then condition, then the updation, and curly braces open or close means the for body. Then the working of this syntax is first initialize the counter variable, then the condition is check the condition. When the condition is true, the for loop body is executed, then the statement are print, and control goes out of the updation. The updation is made increment or the decrement, then again condition check. This loop is repetitive when the condition is true, and the condition is false, then the terminate the loop. This is the for loop structure. The second is a while loop. While loop is used when the number of repetitions are cannot fixed, means we know about the repetitions, how many we know about the loop are how many times repeat. Then in that case we use the while loop. The syntax of while loop is first while, then in round bracket condition, then the while body. The working of this while loop is first check the first initialize in a initialization stage. After the initialization, then check condition. When the condition is true, then the while body is executing, or the statement are print, and or any task or perform. Then again updation means the variable increment or the decrement. Then again check the condition. This loop is repetitive when the condition is true. When the condition is false, then the loop is terminate or control out of the loop body. This is the working of while loop. Then next is a do while loop. We know about for loop is used for the used when the number of repetition is fixed. Then again while loop is used when in that case while if the number of repetitions cannot be fixed. And do while loop used in that case, in such cases the loop is repeated at least once. In that cases we want and also the initial condition is false, but loop is repeated at least once. In that situation we want to use do while loop. Do while loop syntax of do while is a do, then the do while body, and then while, and the in round bracket the condition. So execution of do while loop is first do, then the loop body is executed without any checking the any condition. We want to print some statements or we want to perform some task, and then if you want to print the statement, then check the condition. If the condition is true, then again repeat the loop or the repetition is made, and if the condition is false, then the terminate loop. But in that case, the repetition, if the condition is false or true, the loop is repeated at least once. These are the loops in a Java. Thank you.